So here we are in our new studio space. We're currently halfway through the build. The lads have been doing an awesome job. But before we get into it and tell you about what's going on, let's throw it back right to the start. Basically what we've done in here is removed 2 or 3 walls and just made it one big room. So this room here is going to host 4 desks. Basically everything's been stripped out, strengthened, new framing and new wiring all throughout. Super important that we've got our data cable so everything can talk to each other and also talk to our service. Mitch and the boys have put in this new window, a really nice addition. It just adds in a lot more natural light. So a little bit about the finishing in this space here. So just nice jib walls behind us, which are going to be painted. The walls, 2 walls over here are going to be ply. The ply is going to have the negative detail again, and also just a nice lacquer finish. Now we're on to the finishing stages where you can see it all come together.